To fix the problem where you cannot download updates automatically on POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to click on About Phone, and then you can click on the Xiaomi Hyper OS. Click on the three dots, navigate to the settings, and then look for download automatically, and make sure that this option is on, and also download using mobile data. Actually, there's two options to fix that. First one is to enable download using mobile data right here and adjust the time. That way it will download updates for your system automatically using mobile data, or you can disable it and use Wi-Fi. So that way you will need to make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection to download those updates automatically. Also, after they are downloaded, you might want to enable this option, which will make them install automatically as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.